Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make salted caramel shot glasses. Oh yeah! Okay, first off, for this recipe you're going to need a shot glass mold, preferably a silicone one, because the hard plastic ones make it so hard to get the shot glasses out. Technically those are ice trays, but fuck, I have one and fuck that thing. Then you're going to need 2 cups of white granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or the fake shit, sea salt to taste, 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, and then 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. But I threw the carton away, so I can't show it to you. And I cannot express how much you will need a candy thermometer. Do not do this without a candy thermometer. On medium heat, mix all of your ingredients together except for the heavy whipping cream. You're going to stir this continuously and bring it to a boil. And now mix in that heavy whipping cream. Stirring frequently, boil this shit until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and then immediately take it off and pour it into your mold. Pop the air bubbles with toothpicks. And now let these cool down all the way before you remove them from the mold. Lastly, salt to taste. Alrighty, now for the taste test. I'm going to use Jim Beam apple liquor infused with Kentucky Straight bourbon whiskey. Ooh. Ooh, that smells good. Alrighty. It's a little sticky, but I'm going to also put some Ready Whip on there. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Mm. 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 Oh. This caramel is so good. Oh my god. Mmm. And that liquor with Jim Beam just goes great with it. Mmm. I don't know why it broke like that. Oh. Maybe because this just came out of the refrigerator. But, I'm in alcohol and caramel heaven right now. You guys really need to try this. Oh, man. Have a great night, everyone. I'm going to. Yeah, I am.